how to use call reminder on iOS 26. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the phone application on your device and further tap on the calls or recents tab from the bottom of your screen. Now, go ahead and find a missed call that you want to set as reminder and then swipe left on your screen on the missed call that you want to enter as reminder. You will now see the clock icon. So tap on the clock icon you see there and choose any of the following option, that is, remind me in 1 hour, or remind me tonight, or remind me tomorrow, or remind me later, and this will let you pick the custom time. Now, if you select the Remind Me Later option, it opens a new reminder interface, letting you pick the date, time, and which reminders list to use. Now, the reminder will then appear in the Reminder app with all the details, and it will also appear on the phone tab itself on top of your screen, as you can see here. Now, if you want to cancel the reminder, then in the phone application itself, you will see the Reminder tab, so simply swipe towards the left on your screen on the reminder that you want to delete and then tap on the clock icon again. You will then see the option for Mark as completed. Tap on that, and with this, the reminder will be removed. So, this is how you can use Call Reminder on iOS 26. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.